Hey guys, today's video is going to be my Sephora Play box bag unboxing, unbagging. I'm so excited for this video. It literally just came in the mail and I was like, oh, halt everything. I need to make this video because I saw spoilers and I'm super excited. This is one of my new favorite monthly subscription services. You guys know I love my BoxyCharm. I will always love my BoxyCharm. But this is definitely, is this my second favorite box? I think it is. Literally, it just came in the mail. I'm so excited. Oh, the bag is cute. It says hot, hot, hot on it. It's very summery. Super cute. It says, welcome to the Beauty Boardwalk. Yeah. Beauty Boardwalk. Okay, the first thing I'm pulling out of the bag is the Living Proof Nourishing Style Cream. This says a frizz-taming style cream that blocks moisture in the air without weighing hair down. I've never tried anything from Living Proof. Isn't this Jennifer Aniston's line? Did she like create the line or is she just like a spokesperson for the line? This is silicone-free, color-safe cream that smooths hair texture and moisturizes for a polished look that's ready for any occasion. So that is the first thing. Next, we have something from Murad. This is the Age Reform Nutrient Charged Water Gel. Super hydrating water gel that locks in moisture, visibly plumps skin, and helps smooth the look of fine lines. Your skin is a little thirstier in the summer, and this gel helps you to moisturize like a boss with vitamins and soothing ingredients that alleviate dryness. I'm excited to try this. Definitely excited. Oh, that's little tiny. This guy's tiny. He is tiny. Definitely only a couple uses. The box was deceiving. Ooh. It smells good, and it's pink. I don't know if you can tell, it's pink. All right, we're not gonna fight with the camera today. It's pink, just take my word for it. We have something from Clinique. This is the Clinique Take the Day Off Makeup Remover. A super high, no, that's the one I just read. A gentle formula that removes makeup without tugging, stinging, or irritating skin. Not even the toughest waterproof mascara is a match for this tried and tested oil-free makeup remover that uses a blend of silicones to dissolve your boldest looks. Oh, I was like, oh, it's only half full, but there's definitely like oil and water and you gotta shake it up. Next we have a foundation. This is the Makeup Forever HD foundation. I love this foundation. This is in my shade. Do they know that? Did they know that? Or was that a wild guess? Did I fill out something to say my foundation shade? I don't know, but this is in the shade that I wear, Y245. This is a lightweight, medium coverage foundation that hydrates skin for a flawless, fresh face. I really do like this foundation, and I'm stoked that it's in my color. Then we got something from Too Faced. This is the Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick. Where are you? Where are you? Oh, there we go. A long-lasting, lightweight lipstick that goes on like a gloss, but delivers bold, full color. I hear little people outside my door. This is in the color Queen Bee, and this color is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Nana. Hi, baby girl. Hi. Hold on, baby girl. That color is so pretty. This is like such a perfect purse size. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. The last thing is the bonus item. It is a perfume sample from I don't know how to pronounce this brand, so I'm just gonna show you guys. Is the B silent? Is the V silent? Do you say Lagari? Do you say Bulgari? I don't know. I don't know how it's pronounced, but this is a perfume sample of Pink Sapphire. Oh no, sorry, Omnia Pink Sapphire. An uplifting, effervescent floral scent with a mix of bright, tropical notes and warm, welcoming undertones. And this is a luxury Italian brand that crafts opulent jewelry as well as uber feminine fragrances with scents inspired by the founder's Mediterranean homeland and ingredients sourced from around the world. All right, let's smell this. Oh, it's super, I don't think I'm gonna like it, but it's super cute. Oh, I like that it's a spray. I don't think I'm gonna like that. Hold on, spray it far away. I'm always in awe of people that like spray perfumes directly on them. Like the first time smelling it, I'm like, you're brave, you're brave. All right. Okay, that just smells like alcohol. You know, actually it's not too bad. I bet it's an expensive ass perfume though. I probably would not spend money on this. Like, no. But it's not bad. Okay, so that is everything that is in my June Sephora Play cute ass bag. So cute. I'm really excited for everything. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys want to sign up for this service, I will have a link down below. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.